Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to earn money from Quora. This video is fully covered with essential insight, innovative methods, and inspiring guidance that will lead you to success. But before getting onto the topic, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earnings from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. The technology has been upgraded to a great extent. In today's world, we have been provided with various beneficial facilities and resources to be used for us. Online learning with online earning is getting more and more popular. Everybody wants to earn and become financially independent at an early age to be self-sufficient. Online earning in recent times has acquired a lot of value. Making money online nowadays has become a trending and sizzling work in recent times. As technology is getting advanced and internet value is growing day by day, people can find many privileges to earn a proper income without leaving their comfort zone. That is, they can earn side by side at their own homes without any obstacles. In today's time, whether it's a student or any college goer, if anyone is looking for an extra source of income, the online world has something for everyone. Before I deep dive into the tricks of earn money, let's understand what Quora is. So Quora is unique and a classic platform for people that allows you to earn money by sharing your knowledge and expertise with others. It does not matter where you belong, whether you're a fitness guru or a cooking passionate person. There's a place for you on Quora. Even if yoga comes from any background, you can earn on Quora. Now, since as you know that knowledge and experience together lead to a better success, and hence it can work here better. You cannot directly earn from such a website, but yeah, it's an indirect way to earn, learn, and grow ahead. Initially, it is important for you to know your genre. Everyone has different genres or interesting areas where you can spread your knowledge to people, since Quora is the best way to influence people with your rich knowledge and experience. It offers a platform where you can show your talents and connect with potential clients. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, or a programmer, there's always a demand for your niche. By creating important content and attracting a steady flow of traffic, you can earn money on your platform through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. We have made a separate video in which we have discussed some untold tips for affiliate marketing. You would be surprised to know that Quora also provides you with the facility of a referral program where not only you but also your friends can join you in this earning journey to this platform. More people join the link that you provide them, called the referral link, you will earn from this, whether it could be a percentage of their earnings. Isn't it cool? I hope you like this video, and if it is, stay up till the end, as well as hit the subscribe button after clicking the owl on the bottom right corner. And let me tell you more about the workings of Quora, then we will go further with more options offered by Quora. So let's know how actually does it work. It's so simple. You just need to do nothing except create an account and start answering questions in your area of expertise or your niche where you are expert. You just need to answer the accurate and brief answers. The more good and informative your answers are, the more likely you are to earn money. Users can vote, and the higher the votes, higher the share of revenue generated from ads which is displayed on the platform. So what are you waiting for? Start earning on Quora today and have your knowledge converted into cash. Now, after knowing the workings of Quora, let's move to more knowledge about it. Quora offers various options to earn money. It can be through marketing affiliation, giving consultations regarding partner programming, etc. The main thing you should give here is give your time and effort. Everything works with both together, and you are required to give such. Just try to build up more and more audience, and most importantly, their trust and value. Engage with the readers or your audience. So be natural, get stuck to your original tone, and spread your knowledge. Let Quora become a platform where you not only gain knowledge, but also earn from it. Now let's go deep with the discussions. Quora Partner Program. This partner program helps you earn money by just taking and asking questions, which results in the generation of high-quality answers. You can participate in this program and get a share of the revenue or money which is generated through your questions. What you need to do is ask those meaningful and intriguing questions that produce meaningful discussions and just observe your money growth. Let's move on to the second option, which is it offers space expertise. It could be a complex term to listen and understand, but we are here to sort it out. Spaces help you to create a community that has the same genre, or liking a community which has a center of the same topic or has the same arena to go on. It helps you develop a community based on a specific topic. By creating valuable content and building a loyal following, you can attract sponsors and advertisers who are willing to pay for exposure within your space. Just share your knowledge, indulge with your audience, and get the rewards. Affiliation of product. If you have a niche expertise, consider joining affiliate programs related to your field. By recommending relevant products or services in your Quora answers, you can earn a commission for each successful referral. Be genuine in your recommendations and focus on helping others, as this will build trust and increase your chances of earning. Offer consultation services. If you have the knowledge or skills in any field, just spend on it by giving consultation services. Quora users want to explore and are eager to learn. It is an ideal place where you can provide suggestions based on your field. It includes a link to your website or contact information in your profile and makes it clear that you are available for consultation. Whether you're a writer, a programmer, or have a unique skill to offer, Quora has the opportunity for you. As a writer, you can answer questions and provide articles that can prove to be useful to people and get rewarded for it. If you are a programmer, you can use your knowledge by solving coding problems and helping others with their projects. Quora also allows you to earn by referring new users to the platform. Spread the word and get rewarded for every new member you bring in. Basically, the most important benefit of earning online on Quora is you need not be under any pressure. You can do it from the comfort of your home. There is not any need to follow strict rules or time schedules. Everything is up to how you deal with your work and how you earn from it. You can have the flexibility to work whenever and wherever you want. In conclusion, earning online money is not a difficult task, but can also be an adventure. With effort, time management, and a bit of luck, you can turn your online work into a steady source of income. So why are you waiting? Start exploring the online world and unlock your earning potential today. It may take some time and hard work, but with dedication and perseverance, it is possible. Good luck. Have faith and make efforts. Hope you liked the video, and if you want more such videos, please comment, share, and like this video so that we can get the motivation to work more and bring such content according to your choices. You're also requested to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Now it's high time to bid goodbye to you guys, and we will meet you soon with more classy and informative videos. Till then, goodbye and take care of you and your family. We will come back with another blockbuster soon. Till then, keep being with us and support us too.